Hello everyone. So we invited Mekaeel's small group of friends over for a fun-filled evening. Before the kids arrived, we decided to try making homemade popcorns for the very first time. A special and exciting moment for me and Mekaeel. I have never tried making popcorn from the scratch. So let's see if it's going to be a success or a hilarious fail. Stay tuned to find out. Enjoy the vlog. Okay, Mekaeel, let's make popcorn. Come over. Let's go, beta. Go up there.
I told you I'm making out of oil.
We're gonna make out of butter.
We can make caramel popcorn.
There we go. Kernels ready to cook. Okay, we're gonna put kernels up.
I like to taste of melted butter, but I don't like normal butter. I just like melted butter.
Ready? Give it to mommy.
Kernels?
हाँ. मैं डाल दो half kernel. हट. ले लिया हमने. Okay. We're going to add. This is good for 5 kids. Okay. And now we're gonna just make sure it is mixed well. And we're gonna cover it with proper 1 kid, 2 kid, 3 kid, 1 more kid left.
What about me?
You cannot have. Sorry, it's not for you.
That's alright.
You are the host. You cannot have popcorn.
Yes, I can.
Sorry.
I actually
Okay,
can.
now the target is.
I actually am, right?
The task is to make it properly covered. So, what doesn't come out? The steam doesn't come out. Okay. We have to go fast because.
What? You're gonna come in like almost an hour.
We need a little bit more. Baby.
Huh?
We need a little bit more.
Oil?
Please, thank you.
We're not gonna hear it.
We're going to get it. Just watch. Wait and watch, okay?
No,
Because
this
we
is
have
gonna
half
be a
more.
fail.
It's okay. I think it's going to be not fair, but let's see. Because we have to make it a good. We have to mix them well. This is. Ooh, and then we leave it here to be popped. Hey Google, put an alarm for 5 minutes.
Done. Your alarm's set for 5:12 p.m.
Thank you, Google. It's going to be a pass or fail.
Fail.
I think it's going to be pass.
Mostly butters fail.
Did you hear pop? You heard it?
One.
Who heard it? Put your legs down and let's see.
What?
Put your legs down. You will hear better. So the air will be here.
Now what?
Second one. Pop.
Now I think it's gonna be good.
Pop. Third one.
No, let's do
I'm gonna eat the third
the
one.
one.
Fourth one.
And fifth. No, don't make noise.
Okay. Do you think it's working?
Just be quiet.
Okay. I have to shake it a little bit more. I believe so.
No.
You don't think so? I think I have to shake it.
Dude.
You don't think so?
No, actually, no.
Okay. It's working, Mekaeel.
Just be
It's
quiet.
working so well.
Be quiet.
Okay.
That's not scared.
You scared me like a. You think it's really making popcorn? This is the first time I ever making. Let's see if I can. I'm excited too.
Look at the foil.
Is it burning?
Going up.
Because when the popcorn is burning up. Let's see, because all popcorn is.
I think the foil's burning. No, the foil's coming up. See, it's coming up.
Oh my god, it's burning.
Okay, I think we
I'm going to. It's better. Use a bowl. In this tube.
can do it.
No. Good.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay. How is it?
They taste kind of burned.
How is it? Tell me.
No, it's kind of good.
One. How many kids we have? Go count it.
No, Billy's coming right now.
0, 1.
There's gonna be 2 more plates after this. Let's see. Who's coming?
You.